Ruslan. And I will show you how to adjust gears. The chain runs from a front cog to a rear cog. You use shifters on the handlebars to move the chain between cogs. If you choose 1 and 1, this is for cycling up a steep hill. Gears with higher numbers are for cycling faster. Your gears are adjusted well when you can move the chain onto any cog, and the number on the shifter matches the cog the chain is on. Start by choosing the gear with the highest number on the right shifter, like 7. The chain should move to the smallest cog at the back. Now, use the shifter to change to 1 gear lower, like 6. If the chain did not move to the next cog, screw out the adjuster on the gear cable until the chain moves to the next cog. You can adjust the cable again until 7 on the shifter matches cog number 7 and 6 matches 6.